Well, looky who we have here.
I'm back.
You're back! We missed you. Our good friend Nathan McCartney with Arctic Food Equipment. I feel like we haven't seen you in a long time, but it's probably not been that long.
I know, it's been kind of busy.
Yeah, you've been busy on vacation, but it's summertime.
Yeah.
How are things at Arctic? Because when I think of summertime, I think of equipment, and sometimes I think that equipment gets overheated.
Yeah, it's the time of year.
Yeah.
So, you know, we warn everybody in the fall and the spring to like do the preventative maintenance, and they don't. And then it gets hot, and they're like, oh no.
Oh no!
And so we're firmly in the oh no stage right now.
Yeah, that's so true.
Yeah, and all this humidity with the rain, it's just it's starting to get really busy. Starting to get slammed.
So with that being said, you know, not only do you guys sell the equipment, you fix it as well.
Yeah, so like we were talking about, you know, oftentimes we're in here demoing or cooking or doing something cool with the equipment, but sometimes people forget we actually fix the stuff too. And so we want to make sure that people remember that, you know, when it's hot and everything starts to break, you can call us and we'll get somebody out there, or we've got some new options for how you can reach out to us. You can get on our website, which is now completely e-commerce driven. Like you can log into a profile if you want, build it, you can shop online, you can even enter service tickets online.
Oh, wow.
But if you're a larger customer, let's say a franchise with multiple chains or something like that, you can actually log into your third-party app, which a lot of them are moving to now, and we dispatch right through us. It works right with our local dispatcher. He'll get a ticket set up, and we'll come out, tracks your GPS, tracks the time we're on site. Like just makes everything really easy, especially for those larger customers that are using a third party. So there's really any way you want, you can get a hold of us, and we'll get someone out there to take care of you.
Nathan, can I tell you how lame I am? Because I'm not kidding you. In the last 2 or 3 weeks, I've seen Arctic trucks and vans out and about.
Yeah.
And I wave to them every time. As if you're going to be there, or just one of the guys.
Well, hopefully they're at least friendly, at least wave back, you know?
You're not alone. I don't wave, but I do look to see if it's you. I'm like,
I do.
Nathan?
I was in Branson, saw Arctic. I saw him in 65. I saw him in
Yep.
town, and I waved to him every time and thinking that we're all best friends. But because everybody's so friendly at Arctic, you know, I just assume.
Well, at least they're not being bad drivers. Like,
No,
you
they're
get that
being
every now and then, you know, it's like,
great drivers. But you do service a wide area.
all over, yeah. So Branson is a big customer base for us. Again, especially this time of year, it's getting hot, the lake, you've got 4th of July coming. You don't want your ice machine down. But Branson's a big customer. We've got, we actually have 2 guys that live kind of in that area now. One's a salesman and the other one's a service tech. So we've got guys that cover your area, you know, live and in person.
That's where I was in Branson on Tuesday and I saw them and I'm like, hi Arctic!
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a good, they're a very good customer base, and this time of year, they've got to turn things quickly because, you know, Branson has a short window to make their money for the year.
Yeah.
And so you need someone that can get there quickly, take care of it the first time, get you back up and running so you can make money. That's ultimately our goal.
And for people out there watching that are like, you know, I've seen stuff on the website, but I want to see it in person. I want to touch the product. You've got that at your HQ.
Yeah, so you can still come in. Like I said, you can also, I mean, you can look online. We've got pictures on there, spec sheets. So if you kind of want to get an idea for what you want before you even show up, check out the website and then come in, touch it, feel it. We have a test kitchen, so we're actually working on the design and the consulting side. So if you're opening a restaurant, you can come, bring your recipes in, demo some of the equipment, try it with the equipment we're trying to sell you with your recipes, see how it tastes, see how it all works.
Oh, wow.
And so, yeah, you can absolutely come in and get a feel for what actually we have. Feel it, touch it, you know. So we've kind of got the best of both worlds. We've got the internet where you can shop from your bedroom, but then also you get a local company where you can touch it, see it. You've got a salesman who will help walk you through that process. If something goes wrong, we're here. If you need someone to deliver it, install it, we're here for all of that. So you kind of get the best of both worlds, a local family business with, you know, some of the big players in the internet and all that kind of stuff.
Love
Nathan,
that.
can you please correct me if I'm wrong? I apologize. I know you guys always have new stuff coming in all the time.
Yeah.
Like last time I was doing the coffees, and you know, there's always new equipment for like restaurants or schools.
Yeah, and that's been a problem. I drink a lot more coffee now.
Yeah, it's good. Your one employee makes the best coffees, by the way.
He does.
He does a really good job. But let's say somebody comes in and they buy that stove or refrigerator or dishwasher or whatever they have. You can fix that, but you do repairs on anything.
Yeah, basically any mechanical systems. If it's in your restaurant or your school, healthcare, anything like that, if it's not actually food, we can work on it, you know. So whether it's the plates and the silverware all the way up to your walk-in refrigeration, we do hood installations. So anything that has grease and all that has to have a hood by code. We do all that. We do your air conditioning systems, heat. I mean, if it's mechanical, we've got guys that can work on it.
Wow. And how many years now have you guys been in the game?
Yeah.
90, was it 93?
94. So
94.
I think it puts us at, what, 34 years or something like that?
Yeah.
You know why, Nathan? We love our 30th annual Arctic shirt.
That's true.
We do.
That's true. And we're going to do something big for 35.
You
We
do.
got something coming up.
I wear
Yes.
that shirt almost every weekend around the house. I love it. It's so retro.
Geraldo's stolen it from me.
Yeah.
Oh,
Geraldo's
I'll
favorite
have to see if I
shirt.
got another one somewhere.
No, you're
we need to
I'll
do
wait for
another
35.
retro theme
Yeah,
for 35 though, because it's my favorite T-shirt I own. I'm not even kidding.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. We're looking forward to 35 probably
35.
coming up in April.
So obviously they know what they're talking about. They
Yeah.
know what they're doing at
We've done
Arctic.
it.
34 going on 35 years. So what is the best way for our viewers to get a hold of you, get online and find
Yeah,
you?
so like I said, we mentioned the website a couple times. It's arcticfoodinc.com. You can give us a call, 417-888-0100. Or if you're one of those larger customers that has a ServiceChannel or Ecotrak or one of those third parties, we're now on those as well, which proves our insurance, the whole thing. So you can just log in and request us that way too.
Awesome.
Amazing. And can I challenge you this? If you were driving about in the Ozarks and you see an Arctic thing, just wave.
Just
have
wave.
the kids wave.
Make sure they
They'll
wave back. We'll wave back,
They'll
yeah.
wave back.
Spread the
Friendly
news
staff
too, please.
around.
That's right. Make
guys.
sure you went back.
Make sure you wave back if you're watching. All right, you guys. Coming up, we've got some hot topics to discuss. Don't go anywhere.